Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it. I hope that it can give you some inspiration and motivation today. Today's video is going to be a whole house clean with me. We're going to be doing lots of cleaning throughout the whole house and laundry. I'm actually going to be starting to pack a few boxes, and then at the end of this video I will be sharing an easy recipe. I started off my cleaning today out here in the living room, and while I was out there cleaning, the boys were working on cleaning their bedroom. And of course it's always easier for us as moms to just clean the kids' room because it takes them twice as long, but I think that it's good to stick with them cleaning up their own room every day. And before we get too far into this video, I wanted to let you know that this video is a collab with my friend Justine here on YouTube. She also filmed a cleaning video. If you guys need some more cleaning motivation today, I will link that down below. I love the videos that she has on her channel, and I know that you guys will too. She has videos on motherhood, day in the life, healthy recipes, cleaning motivation. So be sure to go and watch her video and go and check out all of the other videos that she has on her channel. Her video and her channel will be linked down below in the description box. I'm so excited that I got to collab with her today on this video. Once the boys had their room clean and I helped them to organize their books a little bit better there, then I wanted to pull their sheets off of their bed and wash these today. I usually try to do this about once a week, wash all of the sheets in the house. And I know I'll get questions about their bedding. Their bedding is from Betty's Beds. I'll try to remember to put a link for these down below because they are awesome, especially for kids. And I also wanted to say, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you will go and check out all of the other videos that I have here on my channel. This house that I'm cleaning today is our temporary rental that we are currently living in. We just bought a house that we are renovating, so those renovations should be done hopefully here in the next month, and then we will be moving into that new house. And I have videos on my channel of this whole renovation process, so I will have those linked down below if you want to go and watch them. It's just a really exciting time in our family right now as we're renovating this new house and getting ready to move. So if you want to follow along on our journey, then be sure that you click that red subscribe button down below. These boys love to play in a clean room. They turn on their music and they are ready to go. If only they could keep their room clean all day long, that would be awesome, but it's okay. They really love to sit at this little table and build. They will do this for hours sometimes, just building all kinds of different things. And that little table is actually one of those IKEA lac tables. And then I just hot glued some of those building blocks to the top of it, and then they can just build right on top of there. Those little stools are from IKEA as well. Very inexpensive, but it's something that they play on all the time. I had gone grocery shopping the evening before and I didn't get all of those groceries put away, as you can see, and my kitchen was messy, so it was pretty bad in here. It was the first time that I'd actually gone in the grocery store in quite a few weeks, so I hadn't seen like all of the craziness that's out there. I was really shocked at all of the empty shelves, but I was grateful for all of the groceries that I was able to buy. I hope that each of you are doing well during this time. It is just such a crazy time that we're all going through, and I just wanted to share a verse with you guys, sort of like a verse of the day. I've seen others share this verse verse as well during this time because it's just so fitting. It's 2 Timothy 1:7, and the verse says, "For God hath not given us the spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind." I hope that verse can be of encouragement to you today, and I hope that each of you are doing well. I will go ahead and put a link for this trash can down below because I always get a lot of questions about it. It is one of those ones that's automatic. When you put your hand in front of it, the lid automatically opens up, which is very handy if your hands are full. And it's a fairly reasonable price as well. It's from Walmart, so I'll be sure and link that down below. So once everything was tidied up, then it was time to wash the dishes that were in the sink and wipe off the countertops. Now it's time to switch that laundry over and get the boys' sheet started in the washer, and today I am using 7th generation laundry detergent. I think I'm still using the scent lavender. I love 7th generation laundry soap, and I usually always get it from Grove Collaborative, so I'll put the link for their website down below. You guys can get a bunch of free products with your first order because I am an affiliate with them. After that was all done, I headed back to quickly make the bed in our master bedroom, and then I wanted to wipe down this countertop here in our bathroom. This townhouse only has one little bathroom, so it doesn't take very long to clean, which is really nice. Now that the whole house is clean, I'm going to get it all vacuumed, and sometimes I wait until the very end when the whole house is clean to vacuum everything, and then sometimes I'll do it room by room. Once I get a room clean, then I will vacuum it, and then I move on to cleaning the next room. It just depends on the day, but today I decided to wait until the whole house was clean, and then I was going to vacuum it all and then mop it all. This is the Uplight Shark vacuum. I'll put a link for it down below. It's an awesome, great corded vacuum if you're looking for one, and I needed the boys in one spot off of the floors so that I could just get everything vacuumed and mopped. The floor was going to be wet after it was mopped. I didn't want them walking all over it, so I turned them on a little movie here. It's just what you got to do sometimes, especially when we're spending so much time at home lately. Now that every room in the house is vacuumed, I'm going to mop the floors with my O-Cedar spin mop. I'll put a link for this down below because it is an awesome mop. If you are looking for a good spin mop, I highly recommend this one. And then I'm just using some Method floor cleaner in with the hot water. Okay, so I got the whole house cleaned up by lunchtime, which was awesome. Then I had the whole afternoon to get other stuff done. The boys were down for a nap, so while they were down for a nap, I was going to pack a few boxes. So I headed out here to our storage room, and we were very grateful that we had a storage room here at this rental because we left a lot of stuff packed up since we knew that we were going to hopefully be moving in a couple of months. But this storage room has turned into kind of a disaster because there will be a day where we're like, oh, we need this certain thing, but it's still packed in one of these boxes in the storage shed, so we have to rip everything apart to find this one thing in this one box, and it just turned into a disaster in there. But I got a few boxes from out there, and I was going to start packing a few things that I knew we weren't going to be using in the next month. At this point, it's looking like we probably won't be able to move into the new house for at least another month. Things are just taking a lot longer than we thought they were going to, which is to be expected. If you're going to be doing a home renovation, just expect everything to take about twice as long as what you expected, and expect everything to cost about twice as much as well. But the reason that I'm going to go ahead and start packing a few boxes here and there of things that I know we won't be using in the next month is because once the contractors get done in the house here in the next hopefully 2 weeks, then we can start doing all of the things that we need to get done in the house. And as soon as we can start doing those things, I'm going to be up there working every single day trying to get everything done so that we can move in. So I know I'm going to be super busy. I won't have time to pack. So the more that I can pack right now before things get really crazy, the better. I was able to pack up everything on those top 2 shelves and then about half of our coats, and then I headed in to the kitchen, and I knew there was one cabinet in there that I could pack up because that cabinet just had extra things in it that needed to be packed up for the kitchen. And I also had some random food stored up there on the top shelf that I was just going to leave, but everything else like those dishes and things I could pack up in a box. And that was literally all the packing that I got done on this afternoon, but hey, at least I guess it was something. It was a start anyway. After I finished packing that last box, then I took the clothes out of the dryer and put those over on the couch to fold. And I have been doing pretty well on keeping up with the laundry. Usually in these cleaning videos, I have just loads and loads of laundry to catch up on, but in this video, I only had 1 load of laundry to fold, and then I was washing the boys' sheets, so I was pretty happy about that. Okay, so I'm going to end this video by making some supper, and tonight for supper I'm going to be making a super easy and quick meal that is ground beef enchiladas. The first thing you're going to do is to brown your ground beef on the stove, and I didn't have any red enchilada sauce on hand, which is what I typically use, just like a couple cans of the mild red enchilada sauce. So I decided to try to make my own. I found a recipe on Pinterest and it turned out pretty good, but the sauce didn't quite get as red as I thought it would. The sauce just didn't quite turn out perfect. It still tasted good, but I will just be using canned enchilada sauce from now on. Okay, so once your ground beef is browned, then I like to put a little bit of the enchilada sauce into the pan, and then I mix some of it in with the beef and also about a cup of cheese in there as well. Once that's all mixed up, then you can start putting it into your tortillas, roll them up, and line them up in your dish. And I had a half a can of black beans in the fridge, so I thought, why not use them up and sprinkle those on top before I sprinkle on all of the cheese. And then you're just going to bake it at 350. And afterwards I quickly tidied up the kitchen. That's how you keep your kitchen clean. Just clean up a mess as soon as you make it. And our favorite toppings for enchiladas are shredded lettuce and sour cream, and then you can have some chips and salsa on the side. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go and watch Justine's video. I will link it down below, and I'll see you in a couple days in a brand new video. Bye!